we played sports here and we learned how to be men. We learned how to be accountable. We learned responsibility. And for anyone who plays sports, I believe at Rock Springs with the coaches that are here, that's what you're gonna learn. And then of course through that, you're gonna learn how sports is awesome, but that's not your whole life. Following Jesus is your whole life, and you can follow Jesus as well as play sports. This world will tell us to pick one or the other, but through Rock Springs you can learn, wait, I can do both. But ultimately our identity is in Christ, but I can still enjoy the sports. And I think that's what this field can do, and I think that's what athletics at Rock Springs truly means for a student who wants to participate.
This building is a tool, and our next building is going to be a tool, and the sports complex is a tool to bring people in and teach them about Jesus Christ. Our sports program are put on with the praying and inspiring music that we play, and just the announcing, the excitement, and then people go, man, people that love Jesus can have fun too.